AI and robots are taking over factories, offices, farms, and even services. They can build cars, grow food, do accounting, write content, and run customer support. But here is a dangerous question nobody is asking. If humans lose their jobs and income, who will buy the products made by these machines? An economy cannot survive without buyers. So let's talk about the biggest paradox of the AI future. Part 1. How the economy normally works. Today, the system is simple. People work, people earn, people buy, companies profit, and the economy runs. But AI is changing this formula. Machines can now do more and more work. That means fewer humans are needed for the same production. So the new formula is becoming: machines produce, humans lose jobs, humans lose income, who buys? Part 2. This is not the future, it's already happening. Look around us. Factories are full of robots. Customer service is handled by AI agents. Accounting, data entry, design, even coding are being automated. Farms are using machines and AI for planting and harvesting. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now. Productivity is going up, but human jobs are slowly going down. Part 3. The core problem, the paradox. Companies want efficiency. AI gives efficiency. But if too many people lose income, demand falls. No demand means products don't sell and businesses suffer. The economy slows down. Even AI-powered companies get hurt. So here is the truth. An economy where only machines produce and humans cannot buy will collapse. Part 4. 4 possible futures. Option 1. New jobs appear. Like every tech revolution, new jobs may come. AI supervisors, trainers, and new roles we can't even imagine. But this transition is slow and painful. Option 2. Shorter work weeks. Instead of 40 hours a week, people may work 10 or 20. Machines do most of the work. Humans share what's left. Option 3. Universal basic income. Governments may tax AI and give every citizen a basic income. Machines produce, people consume. The economy keeps moving. Option 4. The dark scenario. If nothing is done, a small group owns AI. Most lose income, and social unrest grows. This is the future nobody wants. Part 5. The big truth. AI doesn't just change jobs, it forces us to rethink the entire economic system. The real question is not, will AI replace jobs? The real question is, how will humans earn, live, and buy in an AI-driven world? The decisions we make in the next 10 to 20 years will shape the future of society. AI can create a world of abundance, or a world of massive inequality. The technology is coming. The question is, are we ready to redesign the system around it?